Jesus, you are love in human form. Jesus, you are love in human form.
The world keeps searching for a love that never fades, looking for forever in a heart that's bound to change. But you stepped down from heaven, bore the cross that should have been my own. You loved me at my worst, Lord, before I called you my own. You didn't only speak of mercy, you stretched your hands upon the tree. Every scar became a promise of how deep your love would be. Jesus, you are love in human form, perfect through every trial and storm. You love the broken, healed the weak, forgave the ones who nailed your feet. No greater love this world will ever see. You gave your life to set us free. When I wanna know what love is, I only have to look at Calvary. Ofa Haohaoa okudai gada.
Na ake forgave
Ke whakamole mole ia mauaga hala. You touch the ones that were rejected, you welcome sinners to your side. You wash the feet of those who left you still. You love them through the night when they crowned you with their hatred. You answered them with grace. Even from the cross you pray, Father, forgive them in that place. Ofa Haohaoa. Teach me to love the way you love, to serve before I'm served, to forgive before I'm asked, to give before I count the cost. Break my pride and fill my heart with the love that came from you. May the world not just hear my words, but see your love in all I do. Jesus, you are love's perfection, the Father's heart for all to see. You gave your life without condition to rescue sinners just like me. Forever I will lift your name, forever I will tell your story. The cross will always be the proof